Stop if your washing machine is making this noise: grinding, knocking, screeching, or loud banging. Warning, you could be destroying your machine without even knowing it. Most people ignore these sounds, and that mistake costs hundreds of euros in repairs. Today I'll show you which washing machine noise is dangerous, what causes it, and how you can fix it before it's too late. Let's start. Noise number 1. Loud banging during spin cycle, 0:30 to 3 o'clock. If your machine starts jumping, shaking, or banging loudly during spin, this is not normal. This usually means drum is unbalanced, shock absorbers are worn out, transport bolts were never removed, or floor is uneven. Why is this dangerous? Because excessive vibration slowly damages drum bearings, cracks suspension parts, breaks internal wiring, and even damages the motor mount. Quick fix: pause the machine. Redistribute clothes evenly. Avoid washing heavy blankets alone. Check machine level using a spirit level. Adjust feet properly. If noise continues, shock absorbers must be replaced. Noise number 2, grinding or metal rubbing sound, 3 to 5:30. This is the most dangerous sound. If you hear grinding, metal scraping, or rough rotating noise, warning, that usually means drum bearing failure. What causes bearing damage? Overloading, water seal failure, hard water corrosion, old machine wear. If ignored, drum shaft gets damaged, motor belt wears fast, water leaks into motor. Full machine replacement becomes cheaper than repair. What you should do: stop using machine immediately. Check for water leaking under machine. Call technician early. Early repair equals cheap. Late repair equals very expensive. Noise number 3, high-pitched screech or whistling. If you hear a screeching or squealing sound, especially when drums start spinning, this usually means drive belt slipping, motor pulley problem, motor bearing issue. Why is this serious? Because belt slipping creates heat, reduces spin performance, causes motor overload, shortens motor life. Easy check: open back panel. Inspect belt condition. If cracked or loose, replace it. Belts are cheap, motors are not. Noise number 4, clicking or knocking sound. If you hear clicking or knocking, most common reason: coins, buttons, bra wires, small metal objects stuck in pump or drum seal. If ignored, pump motor burns, drain system blocks, water won't drain. Quick fix: clean pump filter, check drum rubber seal, remove foreign objects. Prevention tips: want your washing machine to last 10 plus years? Do this. Don't overload. Use correct detergent. Clean filter monthly. Run drum clean cycle. Keep machine level. Small habits equals big lifespan. If your washing machine is making strange noises, don't ignore it. Early action saves money, time, and stress. If this video helped you, thumbs up, like, speech balloon, comment your machine problem. Bell subscribe for more appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching.